Move your body. We have been on a lifestyle journey for a long time now, mostly talking about food. Now, we want to talk about a very important activity. Remember, we are talking about things that concern health and beauty, of course, wellness, and part of it are lifestyle choices and issues. Welcome to the Diary of a Holistic Nutritionist. Let me invite you to a journey, a lifestyle journey into beauty, into health through wellness. We heartily welcome our returning subscribers and even the new ones. We welcome you and ask you to please click the notification button, subscribe, and you'll be the first to know when we have a new episode. I am your host, Olakwiju Osemubo, a scientist, a researcher, and certified holistic nutritionist. I started by asking you to move your body. Move your body. Actually, it's not only an exercise that maybe is funny to us, but it's steeped in wellness. So every process in our bodies is carried out through movement. Have you thought about that? If you're going to eat, it is by movement. If food is going through your system, digestive system, it is by movement. If food is being digested, it is by movement. So movement is so pervasive, it's something that happens. And it is because it's an adjunct, it's something that helps health. Health on its own cannot exist without movement. So all forms of things, even when food has been digested and has to be circulated to different parts of the body, guess what? It's done by movement. If the body, the cell, is going to make use of the food, it's by movement. Little wonder, when someone is very, very sick, part of what happens is that the energy begins to go down. Movement becomes difficult. And by the time movement is totally gone, the person becomes prostrate. He is lying down. He cannot get up. It's a terrible place. We don't want to be there. So we are advocating movement. Movement. This movement has to be done with every part of your body. And so, even waste disposal is by movement. Do you know the term, have you moved your bowel? Movement is very important. And these different movements in our bodies, in your body, forms a network. One part does its own, it gives room to the next and the next and the next. If there's a part of your body that doesn't move at all, there is a problem. So, whether it is blood or lymph that is collecting in different parts of your body, it's a sign that something is wrong. So lack of movement will lead to inflammation. Of course, it's not the only reason why we have inflammation, why you have inflammation. It is important that we link our food and nutrition to movement and physical health. Physical health deals a lot with movement. So through lifestyle, we shall be talking about how to ensure that we're healthy. So it's not only for us, for you to eat healthy, you must add movement to it. So it becomes very, very important to talk about movement. And I'm sure all of us move. If you go from one room to another, it is by movement, except of course if someone is carrying you. That person is the one performing the movement. But movement is very important. And it's going into something you are going to enjoy doing, something you're going to put in your life, and it's going to make things better for you. In our next episode, we shall discuss exercises. Don't be worried about it, not as you know it, but a bit of what you know. So please interact with us in the comment section below on your relationship with food. Remember, we'll be talking about that for a while. Press the notification button, like us, share, discuss our presentation, make a comment, and let's know if you have anything you have to ask about food or indeed lifestyle. So until next time, remember, wellness is the basis of health and beauty. See you then.